Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
6 Home Remedies for Urinary Tract Infections. Urinary tract infections are the second most common reason why people go to the doctor every year. Men can get urinary infections, but they are much more common in women. Over 8 million women see their doctor for treatment of this infection every year. And 20% of these women will have a second infection. The good news is that there are many home remedies for urinary tract infections. We will tell you about 6 of them in this video. 1. Baking soda. Urinary infections that last more than 2 days will require medical intervention. Untreated urinary infections can infect your kidneys and will turn into a much more serious problem. To help prevent a developing urinary tract infection or treat it from the start, you can add a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water. This will help relieve the infection. Baking soda neutralizes acid in your urine and accelerates recovery. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries and blueberries are from the same plant family and appear to have the same properties that inhibit bacteria. According to a study, cranberry juice prevents urinary infections. Also, eating this fruit whole has the same benefits. 3. Cranberry juice. Many studies have found that drinking cranberry juice can help prevent urinary tract infections. It seems as though cranberry juice prevents bacteria that causes the infection, and it also has a very mild antibiotic. Drink 4 ounces of cranberry juice a day to help keep your bladder free from infection. But if you tend to have urinary infections or have one right now, try to drink at least 2 or 4 glasses of cranberry juice a day. 4. Pineapple. Bromelain is an enzyme that is found in pineapples. In a study, people that had a urinary infection were given bromelain along with the usual round of antibiotics, and the infection went away. Eating a cup of pineapple will taste good and you can help get rid of your infection. 5. Vitamin C. Some doctors are prescribing at least 5 grams or more of vitamin C a day for patients that have recurring urinary tract infections. Vitamin C keeps your bladder healthy by essentially acidifying urine because it prevents potentially harmful bacteria from entering. 6. Water. If you tend to get urinary tract infections, be sure to drink a lot of water, around 8 glasses a day. You should be urinating at least every 4 or 5 hours. If you are currently dealing with an infection, drink water to fight it. Drink a total of 8 ounces of water every hour. This will help you eliminate bacteria.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.